Fast. We love it. Life at 140 characters or less. We date with our fingers, we kiss with emojis, and type with our lips. We skip commercials, watch 6-second videos, and get overnight deliveries day of. Adrenaline junkies waiting for our next Wi-Fi fix. Until something really fast comes along and makes us slow down. From a place that knows about taking the time to craft something better. Generations blessed by an understanding that God is in the details. True beauty has a way of hitting our pause button. Sure, we love to go fast. But you have to take it slow to get there.